Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Onlinefix64 Dll failed to load. So here you can first solution, you can check if the Onlinefix64.dynamic link library file is quarantined or missing. You can open Virus Threat Protection, you can open your Windows Defender or Windows Security and go to the protection history. Select quarantined items and choose block action block items to verify if the Onlinefix64 Dll is blocked. This one, block item. If the target file is separated in the folder, you can select it and choose restore to recover the quarantined file. If the Onlinefix64 Dll file is actually missing from your computer, you need to recover it as soon as possible. Next, you can reinstall the problematic program or game. You can uninstall from the control panel. And here the last is run sfc command line. So you can run sfc scan now. So you can click on start and try to search cmd. Command prompt run as administrator. Here you can try to tap sfc space hashtag scan now in order to scan corrupted or missing file on your system. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe and click the next button below. See you in the next video.